Up all by yourself, okay? Do you need help?
No, I can't figure out how to open it.
She probably, that's strong paper. She might need some help. Daddy. You want to start it for her, Daddy?
Sure.
Look ahead. This is in the outside.
Welcome.
What?
Yeah, great. I'm going to ruin my whole thing. I'm taking the whole thing, just waiting for her to open it. No.
I can't watch my sister. It's a toy. It's another toy.
Is it a toy?
Yeah, it's a toy. Nemo. Moon sand.
What is it, Al?
I know.
It's moon sand.
Moon sand?
Yeah, moon sand.
Oh,
That's what I always wanted, Mama.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's what Maggie said. She wanted to get that for you.